In this video, I'm going to be explaining what the Bentellect trend that you might be seeing on your TikTok is. So recently this TikTok trend has been going around and it originated from this TikTok creator Bentellect. Now what Bentellect does is he reacts to tweets and things like that on his TikTok with the green screen, which is kind of funny if you go ahead and watch his videos, and people find this entertaining. Now what people have been doing is they have been using the new creepy text-to-speech voice that just rolled out on TikTok to essentially play one of his videos or stitch his video, and then at the end of the video they play a scary clip with a scary text-to-speech voice using the scary voice. And I'll show you what that looks like. So if I go out of here and then I go through to the Discover tab, then I search in the search bar for Benny Boy, and you can also search for Bentellect, and then I go to the video section. If I find a video and then play it for you, so this one right
Things
here.
that don't exist anymore. Heinz purple ketchup, this was amazing. Sugar-free Haribos, these are the best. Amazon Fire phones, I never had one.
You missed one, Benny Boy.
Things that...
So basically what you can see there is his original video, and then at the end the scary voice with the creepy picture. So that is what the trend basically does. People have been going crazy about this. And if I just turn down the volume and then show you this account has popped up recently after this trend has been going viral. And you can see their first video over there has 2.4 million views. This one right here doing the Bentellect trend. So that's basically what the trend is in a nutshell. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.